Hi! Isang magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to be the first one to greet everybody. Maligayang maagang Pasko sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat. Thank you everyone for sharing your morning with us today as we make your wishes come true this holiday season. To our distinguished friends from media, to our content partner, Feld Entertainment, our SM Cares family with our special guest from Child House. O diba ang Child House? Very familiar with Disney on Ice. Our special guests from our teams, from the SM Mall of Asia Arena family, the SM Tickets group, the SM Skating group, our friends from and our teams from Mall of Asia, and of course our beloved patrons and partners from Metrobank, from all of our media partners. We want to thank you and please share this moment with us. On behalf of the C family, Mr. Hans TC, our chairman, we are honored to have you today with us in commemoration of this year's Disney on Ice theme. Allow me to share with you our wish this season. It is quite simple actually, to deliver live entertainment like no other to every Filipino family nationwide. We aim to create a space where Filipinos of all ages can experience the highest quality of live entertainment, where families can together share this Filipino holiday tradition that will transcend in their memories. For the past 40 years, SM Supermalls have been woven into the everyday lives of Filipinos, celebrating holidays, marking milestones, and creating unforgettable moments every single day. And today, I stand before you representing the SM Mall of Asia Arena. It fills us with joy in fulfilling the commitment as we bring this dream to you early with Disney on Ice. In this year's version of our beloved holiday tradition, we are thrilled to share that the true spirit of magic, dreams, and hope with every guest that walks through our doors. Your joy is ours. And to us, this is the greatest gift that we could ever give to the Filipino families. As we continue to uphold the proud legacy of the SM Mall of Asia Arena on its 13th year of hosting world-class sports and entertainment events, we, on behalf of the SM Mall of Asia Arena team, we welcome everyone to join us in our wishful journey to the stars as this year's Disney on Ice runs from December 20th to January 4, 2026. Happy holidays everyone, and we look forward to celebrating our Christmas with you at the Mall of Asia Arena. Thank you.